สบายดีตอนสวยหมดทุกคน Good afternoon everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the episode 8 and now I'm come back to see you all of my student again after about 4 months that I've been gone to somewhere. I didn't upload or making any videos to upload to YouTube. But anyway, so now I'm come back and I'm very happy to see you and very thank you to every single subscribe to every new subscriber, and I'm very happy to see you and very welcome all of you guys to join my channel. And today's topic, we are going to talking about 10. I don't know, actually the first time that I try thinking like what is the topic that I should write into my into this lesson or into this video. I have something like very confusing because I'm going to talking about the page actually. So this sentence, oh no, sorry. So this lesson is going to be about 10 pages that you might need to know in our Lao language. The first time that I think that I want to say like 10 store or 10 shop in English that you might need to know in Lao language. But I just thinking like because the first because some page they sell service and some page they sell the product. What the fuck? So whenever I thinking about the store or thinking about the shop, that means that's page. They have the products, they have the material, they have the thing for sell. But in some page, for example, like a spa, massage, sauna, for example, like that, or even barber shop, for example, they didn't have something to sell you for you to pay and get it. But they sell you a services, so that's why I'm a little bit confused. Whether should I say 10 page that you might need to know in Lao language, or 10 store or 10 shop that you might need to know in our Lao language. So anyway, so it doesn't matter. But if you know what should I write this title or this topic for this lesson, please let me know. I'm very happy to to know what you're thinking about it and help me to improve my lesson. Okay, now let's get into the lesson. So the first page is a bike shop or bicycle shop, or even you can say store. For example, bike shop in Lao we say ห้านขายรถถีบ Okay, one more time อีกทีนึงเนาะ ห้านขายรถถีบ so ห้าน mean shop, is mean store. So ห้านขายรถถีบ ขาย is mean sell. Okay, sell in English. ห้าน mean store. ขาย mean sell. รถถีบ mean bicycle or bike in English. Okay, so ห้านขายรถถีบ is mean bike shop or bike store, as you see in the photo. So next, the second one, motorcycle shop or motor shop, no? Same thing. We say ห้านขาย what is motorcycle in Lao? รถจักร that's right. ห้านขายรถจักร same thing. ห้าน is mean shop or is mean store. ขาย mean sell. รถจักร mean motorbike or a motor. Alright, third one, car shop or car store. ห้านขายรถใหญ่ so car shop or car store in Lao we say ห้านขายรถใหญ่. Okay, the same thing at the first second is we say ห้านขาย is that mean like a shop for selling something. But at the end of the sentence they say รถใหญ่. So of course when you get into that you will see they have the car. If they say ห้านขายรถถีบ they have the รถถีบ at the end of the sentence. That means that shop they are selling a bicycle ห้านขายรถจักร that means they are selling a motorbike for example just very very easy okay the first one barber shop so see in this case that's why I'm thinking like what should I say in this topic of the lesson but because when we talking about the barber shop actually it seemed like when we get into that we buy the services we didn't buy the material from the barber shop they didn't have like something to sell for us they didn't have a material that we can touch by our hand like that but they have the services to sell for you right so this but in English you also say barber shop so but yeah but it doesn't matter I mean like I'm just explaining whether some places they sell service some places they sell the products they sell the material but barber shop they selling services for example they're selling their skill for you sorry okay barber shop in Lao we say ห้านตัดผม okay so this is a little bit different they didn't have like ห้านขาย because the first second and third they say ห้านขาย but this one they didn't have ขาย right after the word ห้าน so ห้าน is mean store or shop ตัด is mean cut okay cut in English ผม is mean hair this is hair so ห้านตัดผม is mean like a shop to cut the hair if you separate every single word you will say that is the meaning so but three of that word connect together ห้านตัดผม that mean barber shop okay in English easy okay one more time ห้านตัดผมห้านตัดผม okay ต่อไปnext no gas shop no gas shop I'm sorry if I pronounce not correctly in English grass okay ห้านขายแว่นตา see they say ห้านขาย they mean sell shop to sell shop to sell store to sell ห้านขายแว่นตา actually the word แว่นแว่นVWAN van actually van also mean mirror the mirror that we use to look ourselves it mean mirror ตา is mean eye but when we say แว่นตา it mean glasses one more time ห้านขายแว่นตา okay the next one clothes shop ห้านขายเสื้อผ้า ห้านขายเสื้อผ้า ขาย mean sells ห้าน mean shop or store เสื้อผ้า mean clothes in English เสื้ออันนี้ man เสื้อเนาะเสื้ออันนี้ man เสื้อ it mean shirt it mean it's เสื้อ it mean shirt in English but when we want to separate the word ผ้า it mean what do we say like before it's going to be shirt there is on this is the material for example if this is not a shirt for example this is the material when it didn't get into the factory didn't get into the company to make the shirt this thing is a course it is a part but after this thing they make it they create it to be a product to be a bride to be something else they have the name but whenever it's just like a material this material we say ผ้า for example okay but after it compete to be the product like this is the shirt or just say or even you just say เสื้อ when you separate the word เสื้อ it mean shirt like this ผ้า is mean clothes any clothes not specific for t-shirt not specific for a trousers one more time ห้านขายเสื้อผ้า ห้านขายเสื้อผ้า okay next shoes shop okay ห้านขายเกิบ mean shoe ห้านขายเกิบ okay easy next one mobile shop okay ห้านขายโทรศัพท์ one more time โทรศัพท์ห้านขายโทรศัพท์ that mean shop to sell mobile or cell phone okay the last one number 10 bakery shop okay ห้านขายขนม ห้านขายขนม or you can say ห้านขายขนมปัง for example because ขนมปัง is mean like the snack that they use to grill that they use to put in the oven something like that but let's say bakery okay in English you say bakery so in Lao we say ขนม but actually the word ขนม it also mean snack in English so bakery shop we say ห้านขายขนม okay ห้านขายขนม or even someone they say ห้านขายข้าวจี but ข้าวจี actually is mean bread in English bread but you just say ขนม that mean any snack no any snack okay but particularly of course we talk in this lesson we talking about a bakery so we say ห้านขายขนมor ห้านขายขนมปัง ห้านขายข้าวจี whatever I mean like somebody they just say ห้านขายข้าวจี someone they just say ห้านขายขนม ห้านขายของหวาน okay alright for this lesson we are going to stop now and I'm very thank you for every single subscriber again who come and click the subscribe for me and to follow and to see what I'm doing in my channel and come to learn with me to join my class and if you have any comment or if I make any mistake in my video please don't forget to comment down here below I'm very happy to see your comment and very happy to listen and talk to you how could we make it better and improve together okay alright see you in the next video please take care yourself bye bye เจอกันโชคดีเด้อ